Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make a pineapple mango chow. It is sweet, tangy, and spicy. Let's go make it, guys. Here are the ingredients. I am going to be listing all the ingredients that I use into this recipe in the description box below, along with the measurements. So first, what we're going to do is to go ahead and we are going to peel the pineapple. And I know most of you know how to peel a pineapple, right? Remove the head and then just slice the skin down like this, making sure that you remove those brown spikes that are on the pineapple because for me it's scratch. That's how I see it, right? Then you want to cut your pineapples down like this so that you can have some equal bite-sized pieces. And this pineapple is sweet. Alright, so I'm going to place it into the bowl, and as for the mango, as you can see, this mango is firm. And look at how big this mango is, guys. So I'm going to cut the mangoes like this, and I'm cutting it like this because I want to have some nice bite-sized pieces, So I'm going to show you how I cut it. And you want to use half-ripe mango. And this sweet and slightly sour mango is just perfect for contrasting the flavor along with the pineapple. So I cut it up like this, and then I'm going to just use the tip of the skin, flip it back, and there you have it. Now use the knife and just slice directly under, close to the skin like this, and there you have your beautiful pieces of mangoes. Place it into the bowl with the pineapple, and at this time make sure that you wash your seasonings, your lemon, pepper, whatever you're going to use. Finely chop the cilantro. You can also use shadow benny if you have. And with the Scotch bonnet pepper, I removed the seed and vein. I didn't use that. Finely chop it up, and because we're making a spicy chow, I'm going to use different types of pepper. And you can also use either fresh pimentos, chilies, jalapenos. You can use black pepper if you want. But the key to a chow is to have it spicy. Finally chop your garlic. Add some red onions up into there. And for the red hot pepper, I leave the seeds in. And we're also looking at color, guys, when you mix it. And lemon, of course, to give it that nice, tangy kind of juice. Add the cilantro up into there. Then add the garlic. In any fashion you want to add it, just add them up into there. And as you can see, the color starts to walk right up into there, guys. Just red hot pepper and the yellow Scotch bonnet pepper. Then don't forget the lime juice. That is what is going to kind of marinate everything together. Now we're going to go in with a little salt and some red pepper flake, along with some white sugar. It's that simple, guys. Just give it a mix, making sure that everything is thoroughly combined together. Then you're going to want to place a cling wrap over this container, pop it into the refrigerator, and let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours because I like my chow when it is cold. And then it's time for serving on a hot day, guys. Try this chow. You would not regret. Thank you for watching.